With almost 5,000 square feet on an acre and a half of land, this home is the premier spot to entertain friends and family. Welcome to 5500 Bent Pine Drive. The game room and the theater room are my favorite place in the house. It's a great place for friends and family to gather and have a lot of fun. Relax in your home theater, and when you get thirsty, come on over to your super cold drink fridge. And this is my second favorite part of the home. Tons of room to cook out for your entire group, or you can just hang out in the great weather with friends and family. Bad weather, or just don't feel like cooking outside? This chef's kitchen with a gas cooktop is just the ticket. If you've fallen in love with 5500 Bent Pine Drive and you want more information, give me a call. I'll give you a tour.